X2, what we are going to get over here, we will get CH3X plus X3 radical. The thing which we were getting in the initial way to initiate our reaction, that we are again getting in the propagation reaction. So in the termination step, the chain termination, we will get again the two type of reactions. One will be like hello everyone. So we are going to discuss over here the preparation of alkyl halide. So today in the class we are going to discuss regarding the preparation of this alkyl halide through alkane. How we can prepare this alkyl halide with the help of this alkane. So we will see over here the simple reaction CH4 when is being reacted with X2, it will give us CH3X. This is a general reaction how we can prepare this alkyl halide with the help of this alkane in the presence of H nu. This is the necessary condition which will give rise over here to prepare this alkyl halide through this reaction. So how the mechanism is being following over here? The mechanism of this reaction will be quite simple mechanism, that will be a free radical mechanism, which means these X2 bond in the presence of H nu, they are going to break down like X dot plus X dot, which means they are free radical, they are quite highly reactive free radical are being formed, and these free radical, what will happen to them? They will react with CH3, CH4, sorry. And what we are going to get over here, HX plus CH3 free radical. So we are going to get a CH3 free radical over here. So this is a propagation reaction, which means when one free radical giving rise to another free radical, that is a propagation reaction, and this CH3 free radical, CH3 free radical when reacted with again another molecule of this HX, sorry, another molecule of this X2, what we are going to get over here, we will get CH3X plus X3 radical. The thing which we were getting in the initial way to initiate our reaction, that we are again getting in the propagation reaction. So in the termination step, the chain termination, we will get again the two type of reactions. One will be like these Cl free radical combine together and give us Cl2. Another way will be like, we will see that this CH3 free radical which were formed in the previous steps in the propagation, they combine together and form a ethane. And we know that these ethane formed are in only trace amount only. They are in the traces only that we will find out that this CH3 ethane is in the traces. So sometime you will find out that how we are getting these products. So you can say they are being formed in traces amount only. So now the next thing is that how this reaction proceeded. We will see over here that if we are having CH4, it is being reacted with HX. So what we are going to get over here, it will get CH3X. We will get CH3X. Then this reaction can again further proceed and we will get CH2X2. And this reaction will further proceed in the several steps and we will get CHX3 and again several steps. The same step which we have proceeded in the first step, we will get CX4. If we have taken the it as HCl, so we will get CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CHCl3 and CCl4. So due to this enormous number of compound formed in such type of reaction, so these are not a better way to prepare in a laboratory. But at industrial level, These can be prepared at a larger scale, and these can be purified with the help of fractional distillation in industrial level. At industrial level, these can be prepared with the help of this type of purification can be done with the help of fractional distillation. So if you see over here, CS3, CS2, CS2 and CS3, and it is being reacted with HX. So what do you expect over here? We will see over here some major and some minor product we are going to see over here, because over here CS3 and CS3, these are the 6 hydrogen that are 1 degree and another are the 4 hydrogen that are 2 degree. So the major product which we are going to get over here will be like 2 degree hydrocarbon, CS3 CHX plus CH2 single bond CS3. So this will be the major product. This will be the major product over here, and regarding the minor product, if we see, that will be like CH2X single bond CH2 single bond CH2 and CH3. This is the way how we get the major and minor product. Why we are getting this a minor product? As we have seen in the mechanism, the free radical is being formed, and the free radical which is being more stable, that is going to proceed in the forward direction more prominent. That's why we are getting over here 2 degree product as a major product. So if we take some more example, some simpler example of this, CS3 CH and CS3 plus HX, so it will give us CS3 single bond CH single bond CS2X, and another possibility will be CS3 single bond CHX plus CH2H. So in this way we can see over here are 2 possibilities. So if this is HX, we are taking at Cl2, or we can say it is SCl. It also become as Cl. This will also become as Cl. So what will be the criteria over here? We will see this is Cl and this is also Cl. So we will see over here, this will be around 45% and this will be around 55%. 2 degree and major. But why we are getting this minor at a higher quantity, which means a 45%? Because of this probability, higher probability. There is a higher probability which we can see over here, that due to that we are getting a higher content of minor product also, due to the high probability, because we are having 6 hydrogen are available and over there we are only having 2 hydrogen which are competing for reacting with this HCl, or you can say Cl dot free radical. So the last example we are going to discuss regarding this, and then we will finalize this, that which the reaction which we are going to take over here will be CH single bond CH3 and CH3, and then we will take CH2 single bond CH3. So in this case what we are going to see, if the reaction is being proceeded in the presence of Cl2, CH3 CH single bond CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. So what we are going to see, we are expecting this H should be removed over here from here. This H should be removed and here the X halogen is being attached, and the another will be CH3 CH2 CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 Cl. So in this case we can see over here that this is hydrogen. So this is a major product and this is a minor product. This is an exception, you need to learn this. It is an exception. Generally in all the cases you will see that this whole the thing proceed at 3 degree more stable 2 degree, and that phenomena is being proceeded in all the questions just generally, but in the case of chlorine there are some exceptions are there. So we will see this type of question, so that is the exception. But in the case of this, if we are having Br2, then this will be our major and this will be our minor. So the same trend proceeded, but in the case of Cl2, I am telling you this is an exceptional question. I have just given you over here, and what is the reason for this exceptional? You can see, so there is a criteria of like 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. There is a criteria with which we multiply and get the answer like 5, 3.8 and 1. So if you multiply by this, you can get the accurate answer, but that is not a bit complicated. At this point, you can just directly learn this question. And over here, 1 degree, we were having 9 hydrogen. So we multiply by this and get the value. That is the way how we can find out this value. But from exam point of view, you just need to remember this question exceptional. And for rest all questions, you can very easily solve out. The major product will be that one that is having a more stable carbocation. So in the today class, we have discussed regarding how we can prepare alkyl halide from alkane. So in this, I have told you that in the presence of sunlight, HNO, these halogen can be reacted. Mechanism will be free radical mechanism is proceeding. The more stable carbocation is giving us a major product. An exception also I have shown you. So that's all for today class. We have discussed regarding this. In the next class, we are going to discuss how we can prepare these through alkene, through alcohol and many more reactions which we are going to see how we can prepare these alkyl halide through these all methods. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.